Do you find yourself investing a significant amount of time watching YouTube videos? Have you ever explored the idea of making money online by simply watching some YouTube shorts? Well, today, I'm excited to introduce an incredible opportunity that enables you to earn $21.35 for each YouTube short you watch. This is a completely fresh and unprecedented method that holds the potential to help you generate income in 2024. So grab some snacks, sit back, and unwind as I take you through a step-by-step guide on how to earn money effortlessly by watching YouTube shorts.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
To commence this rewarding venture, your initial task is to conduct a search for hashtag shorts on the YouTube platform. This will promptly lead you to the YouTube Short Shelf, a virtual area where numerous videos are experiencing significant popularity, with view counts reaching impressive numbers like 100 million, 200 million, 150 million, and beyond. Envision the possibilities of earning $21.35 for each of these views. The financial benefits could be substantial, and I'm here to provide guidance on how to leverage the influence of these views to kickstart your income-generating journey. As we continue to scroll, it becomes clear that shorts are undergoing an unprecedented surge in popularity, presenting an ideal moment to explore this realm. Now, the optimal niche I've pinpointed, one that remains largely untapped and has minimal competition, especially for beginners, revolves around the fusion of hashtag shorts plus Minecraft. Conduct a search for hashtag shorts plus Minecraft and explore some videos in this category. Interestingly, a few of these videos aren't original content, but rather uploads from other platforms, featuring individuals engrossed in video gameplay. Observe videos accumulating remarkable view counts of 200 million, 100 million, and beyond, all easily accessible on the first page. This underscores the profitability and relatively unexplored nature of this niche observation. Here's the plan. There's no need for you to watch these videos yourself. Instead, we'll make the most of other people's views to boost your earnings. Let me explain exactly how you can benefit from the 24 million views on these videos. Start by clicking on a channel, go to their videos, check out the shorts section, and pick Most Popular. This will reveal their most widely watched YouTube Shorts videos, offering the best chances for making money. You can choose to watch these videos yourself and earn, or get others to watch them on your behalf, boosting your earnings. The flexibility of this method is a big advantage.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's dive into the steps. Select the video that stands out as the most popular, especially one that has exceeded 100 million views. Copy the share link and it will transform into a customized link crafted for generating revenue. Every click on this link leading to the video adds to your earnings. Next, I'll direct you to specific online communities where individuals deeply interested in these videos gather. The immense number of views underscores the sizable audience eagerly interacting with this content. Over 100 million viewers were captivated by this specific video, emphasizing the immense potential for attracting attention and, as a result, revenue. To move forward with this profitable venture, we'll navigate to a specialized website. Before disclosing the site, let's first examine the potential earnings in different countries. This information is vital for understanding the financial possibilities based on geographic location. For instance, individuals in Greenland have the potential to earn $20, while in Iceland, the amount stands at $13. In the United States, the earning potential per 1,000 views is $12, and in the United Kingdom, it's $10. This pattern continues with Canada offering $9, and for countries not explicitly mentioned, the projected earnings are around $3.50 per 1,000 views. This still holds significant value, especially when considering a scenario where a video accumulates 30 million views. Now, let's move on to ShrinkEarn.com. This platform plays a crucial role in maximizing your earning potential. The procedure involves copying your assigned link, shortening it using the platform, and strategically placing it in areas where individuals genuinely interested in Minecraft are likely to click and view. The key is to target audiences with a real interest in the content to enhance engagement. Allow me to walk you through the steps. Upon arriving at the site, log into your account. After logging in, go to the option for creating a new shortened link. Paste your original link into the designated space and click the Shorten button. This action generates a specialized money link. Every click on this link has the potential to earn you up to $20 for each person who clicks and watches the associated video. Now that you have your money link, let's move on to specific websites where you can attract a substantial audience, ranging from 1,000 to potentially millions of people, to click on your money link. This strategic distribution is crucial for maximizing your earning potential and ensuring that your content reaches an audience with a genuine interest in Minecraft. Let's dive into the specifics of the first recommended platform, MinecraftForum.net. Acknowledged as an ideal space for drawing viewers to Minecraft content, this forum currently accommodates an impressive 965,000 active members. Within the suggestions section of the forum, you have the opportunity to create posts featuring your video, such as introducing a new trending Minecraft strategy. By incorporating your link in these posts, you stand a chance to capture the attention of a sizable audience, as the site receives up to 1 million visitors monthly. While exploring the forum, you'll come across threads with substantial post counts, ranging from 3.4 million to 2.9 million, providing ample chances to share your link across various discussions. Moving on to the second highly effective platform, Facebook offers an even broader reach. Using the search function on Facebook, search for groups related to Minecraft, specifically focusing on public groups. These groups have diverse memberships, varying from 10,000 to 100,000 individuals, all sharing a keen interest in Minecraft tutorials and videos. Within these groups, seamlessly integrate your link while introducing your video content with statements like, "Check out this new trending Minecraft strategy I discovered." This approach opens the door to engagement, with members clicking on your link, watching the video, and contributing to your earnings. Now, for an added layer of strategic thinking, consider capitalizing on Shrink Earn's referral program. Returning to the Shrink Earn platform and accessing the referral section, you can acquire a distinctive referral link. Share this link with others keen on earning through video sharing. As they follow the strategy you've just mastered, you receive a substantial 20% of their lifetime earnings. This referral system presents a scalable income potential, enabling you to earn 20% of whatever your referrals accumulate. To reach a broader audience, explore Facebook groups centered around online money-making, focusing on groups with significant membership, like those boasting over 100,000 members. Share this proven strategy with them, incorporating your Shrink Earn referral link, and witness your earnings growing in sync with the success of those you refer.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.